Aloha, how's it going? My name is David Aquino. I'm from the Blue Planet Foundation. I'm here today with Kelis Kaleopaʻa. We're going to be taking a little cruise of the South Shore of Oahu in an electric vehicle, and we're going to go for a surf, and it's going to be a great time. Kelis, are you excited?
I'm actually pretty excited. I've never driven an electric vehicle, so super stoked. The waves are good today, so it's going to be a good time.
All right, let's go. All right, we're getting loaded up now. On the inside, we're gonna put this 5'2" Firewire Seaside. We're gonna get that right in.
I have my 9.2 Kai Salis Waikiki model, and it's very convenient to have a super spacious car here in Hawaii, so I love that you can fit aboard in the car and on top.
All right, seatbelts. There you go. She's already locked and loaded. So it's just a twist, so you can twist into drive.
This.
Yep.
Wow. Wow, this is totally different compared to my car. It's so smooth, it doesn't feel like I'm really driving.
Right. We're floating on a cloud of clean transportation.
That is a great example and a slogan.
So Kelis, tell me a little bit about yourself. Are you in school right now? Are you just surfing every day? Who are you, Kelis?
I grew up on the South Shore of Oahu, and I just recently graduated high school, but even when I was in school, I still surfed every day, and I still do.
How long have you been surfing?
This is probably like the most asked question. I don't know what to say because I've always been a water baby, so I don't know if to say my whole life.
Since birth.
Since birth, yeah. I always say since birth, and they look at me like I'm crazy.
Right now, are you competing? What are you doing right now with surfing?
I'm currently on tour for the World Championships of longboarding, and we have not ran in over a year, I want to say. So hopefully we can run back up in September is what I heard. So pretty stoked about that.
Oh, that's cool. How's it feel to be on tour and be considered one of the best surfers in the world?
At my age, I would never have thought to be on tour with some of the best women and men in longboarding, because I've looked up to half of the girls that I surf against now, and it's pretty special. I mean, it's all a surfer could ever want, is to be on tour.
So what are some of your initial thoughts so far on the ride?
I currently drive a truck, and compared to this, it is so bumpy in my car, and to drive a vehicle that is smooth and just feels good when you're driving, almost to the point where it doesn't feel like you're driving. It's a really good feeling, honestly.
Kelis, where did we just pull up to?
We just pulled up to Diamond Head Lookout, and we're currently just checking the waves here at Diamond Head. Looks pretty fun, so we're gonna head out.
How's it look out there?
The wind just picked up a little bit more. Still looks super fun. There's waves, I think, everywhere on the South Shore. Should be super fun. I think Queens and Waikiki down that side would probably be the better call.
Yeah, I agree. All right, let's do it.
Yeah.
So you're like a brand new driver.
Brand new.
Okay. What do you think? You think electric vehicles in the future will be like cars that young people look at as possibly their first car purchase, or something that they can learn on?
I would hope so. I mean, if I knew how good these cars were, then I probably would have gotten one myself.
Do you have any like sponsors, or are you a team rider or anything for any companies?
I currently ride for Roxy, and they just came out with an eco-friendly swimsuit line made out of recyclable materials.
Oh, that's awesome.
And slowly they're starting to incorporate eco-friendly materials and recyclable materials into their everyday bikinis and clothes. Like, they have a bunch of eco-friendly stuff to choose from. So it's pretty cool riding for a team that supports that kind of stuff.
Oh, that's awesome.
So we just arrived at the International Marketplace to charge the car. It's super convenient that there's a bunch of public charging stations for the car too, so wherever you go, you might find a charging station for your car.
So this is Kelis' first time ever charging an electric vehicle. Let's see how it goes. Kelis, no pressure.
Okay. Now make sure I don't trip.
Perfect. Was that hard?
No, it's actually super easy. I have a question though. How do you make sure no one's gonna steal it?
Oh, okay. So when you lock your electric vehicle, it locks the charger as well. So you can't pull out the charger until you unlock your car.
Okay.
So that's a good way to know that the charger is gonna stay while you're gone shopping or out surfing, right? So how often are you out at Queens, you think?
Almost every day.
Almost every day?
Yeah.
So maybe I can get a wave if I just say, oh, I'm with her.
Oh, if you see me going, you can go.
So I'll just be like, oh, I'm a local, I'm with Kilis. Watch out. And you grew up in this area too, yeah?
Yes.
So would you say you're like born and raised at Queens then?
Yes. Oh. Waikiki, born and raised.
So you're the queen of Queens? No.
I would say like princess.
The princess of Queens.
Not
there you
quite
go.
queen yet.
Okay. That's reserved for the aunties.
Yeah? Yes. Like my mom then.
Okay.
Wow, it's 1 billion degrees out today.
It's so hot today. I can't wait to get in the water,
Me
please.
too.
All right. Oh my God, it looks beautiful.
Hi, Elliot. How are you? Bye.
Oh, you know everybody. You're pretty much a celebrity here, huh?
No.
All right, we're here at Queens. We're about to paddle out for a quick surf. Kelis, how does it look?
It looks really fun, a little crowded, but not as windy as Diamond Head, and the water looks really nice, super hot, so looks really refreshing out there.
All right, we're gonna get changed and we'll head out there. Catch you in a bit. Good surf. Beautiful day. Yeah, let's head home. How does that sound?
Sounds good to me.
So what do you think of the electric car? What do you think of the acceleration? What do you think of how smooth it rides?
I still can't get over how smooth it is because I'm just so used to like a super bumpy car. like constant, like the tiniest bump, I'll fly. So it's like really nice to just enjoy a smooth car.
And do you appreciate that it has like less of an impact on the environment and the climate than gas cars?
Totally. That's like the extra bonus I was like saying earlier, is like you're helping out the environment with such a big. Hey, look, there's another electric vehicle.
Oh, there it is. Yeah, they're everywhere.
That's a good thing.
And why is it climate change important to you?
I've seen a lot of change, especially with the ocean and like the beach and our corals. Us surfers, we look at the ocean as our home away from our home. And we know that every little thing can ruin it, from plastic, like that was a big part, to the bleaching of the corals and all the toxins in the sunscreens and everything. So we know that anything can harm our ocean. So we try to prevent any little thing we can to just like the earth itself, I feel like.
That's awesome. Everyone doing a little bit.
A little bit counts, yeah.
Really adds up, and yeah, every little bit counts. All right, we just wrapped up an awesome day of surfing. We got to hang out with Kelis. We had a ton of fun. Even though I didn't catch any waves, you know, I had a ton of fun watching her rip. Kelis, what did you think of your experience with the electric vehicle?
I had a really nice time getting to drive an electric vehicle for the day, you know, really get to test it out like what I would use my regular car for the day, go surfing, super spacious, boards on top and in the car, and all your beach gear and whatnot, and super smooth. And he said it sounded like a spaceship, and it actually does, because it's super quiet when you drive it, so it's really sick. And I heard they're coming out with a truck that's an electric vehicle, so I might have to get one. I don't know. So.
You think you consider electric vehicle in the future after trying one out?
Definitely. Every little bit counts towards helping the earth and whatnot, so it's definitely in my head now.
Well, thank you so much, Kelis, for joining us and for, you know, spending the day with us.
No, thank you guys, really.
We really enjoyed our time together, and we appreciate you being a champion for Mother Earth and also a champion surfer. So good luck in the upcoming tour, and thank you so much again.
Thank you guys.